If you love coffee and dessert, wait until you try this creamy coffee mousse. Hi everyone, if you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston and welcome to the channel. To make this lovely coffee mousse, you'll need some coffee in a bowl. So I'll be using 3 teaspoons of coffee, about half cup of sugar. Remember to adjust the sugar to how you like it. I'll be using 150 ml of cold water. We'll be adding just a touch of salt, and that's just for balance. And I'm using Himalaya salt. Grab yourself a whisk. We're going to combine this quickly until sugar been dissolved. This coffee mousse recipe is quick and easy to make and require no baking at all. To take your coffee mousse to the next level, I'll be adding some syrup to this, and not just only syrup. I'm adding some pure hazelnut syrup to this. So with this now, I'm going to set this aside. So for the double cream, I'll be using about 150 ml. So what we're going to do now, we're going to whip our double cream. We're going to whip it to a stiff beat. What we're going to do now, we're going to pour the rest of the coffee mixture over. I'll be using a spatula. I'm going to combine this together. So with this now, I'm just going to set it aside and then move to the next process. So here I have 2 glasses, a rule of thumbs. Make sure you keep these in the fridge. So here I have some biscuit. So I'm just quickly dipping them in the coffee mixture like this. We're just gonna braid them up and put them in the bottom of our glass. Next up, just gonna put our mousse straight in a piping bag. All this is personal preference. See how light and fluffy that is. So go ahead. So we're gonna start pipe our mousse in our glass. I'm telling you, this is so delicious, trust me guys. Next up, we're gonna break up some more of the biscuit over this. So what I'm doing now, I'm cutting some chocolate just to finish off our light and fluffy coffee mousse. This coffee mousse is perfect, delicious, nice and fluffy. And also this fluffy chocolate mousse is perfect for any occasion.